Today we'll be installing one of our MPulse Bollard fixtures along an office walkway. In this case, we have an existing cement base left over from our previous bollards that will be retrofitting for use with the MPulse Bollard. If you're installing these in a new location, be sure to follow the instruction manual to prepare the cement base using the mounting hardware supplied with the fixture. To do this, you'll begin by securing the 4 L-bolts to the mounting template using the 8 nuts and flat washers. Make sure there's a 1.5-inch threaded bolt extending out of the top side of the template. The shorter side of the L-bolts should be positioned 45 degrees from the horizontal and vertical axis. Next, you'll want to sink the L-bolts into the wet cement. Ensure that there is space between the nuts and the bottom side of the template and the wet cement. Adjust the 4 nuts on the bottom side of the template as needed until the template is level. Now we'll remove the mounting bracket from the bottom of the fixture. To do this, remove the 4 M6 bolts and pull out the mounting bracket. Be sure to hang on to the bolts for reassembly after we've finished wiring the fixture. Next, we'll remove the template and replace it with the mounting bracket. Make sure the bracket is oriented in the desired position. The flat surface will align with the flanges. The curved surfaces will align with the sides without the flanges. When the cement is dry, carefully lay the fixture down to prevent scratching and connect the driver input leads coming out of the bottom of the fixture to the power supply leads from the conduit in the ground. Place the shaft of the fixture onto the cement, aligning the holes of the mounting bracket with the holes in the shaft. Secure it to the bracket with the 4 M6 bolts. We have now completed the installation of the MPulse Bollard. Please feel free to let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.